Puff puff is one snack you will love every time, any day. Just imagine adding coconut and condensed milk to this. Oh my goodness, this is so yummy, so delicious, and very easy to make. Welcome to the sumptuous side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka, and you're highly welcome to my channel today. The first thing you want to do is to warm your bowl. This is by adding hot water to your bowl and just discarding it. This is because of the weather. And then into this, add milk and condensed milk. So you can get the recipe of this very easy condensed milk on my page. So just check the link at the description box. So towards the end of this video, just click on that link and add in sugar. But do not go overboard with the sugar because we're using condensed milk and it's already sweetened. So you don't want to go overboard with that. Then add in egg. Egg will serve as the binder, and add in your yeast. Please ensure that the liquid you're using are lukewarm. The milk, the condensed milk, each is lukewarm because this is going to help with the yeast. This is what is going to activate the yeast. You should be able to dip your fingers into the milk and the condensed milk. It should not be overly hot so it doesn't kill the yeast. So once you've done that, just mix this together and then add in desiccated coconut. You can decide to use coconut flakes, but I'm using desiccated coconut, and add in your flour. So ensure that you sieve your flour. This is to remove impurities for the flour, and then mix everything together until everything is well combined. If you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of our new video. Do not forget to like, share, and comment below. I would love to hear from you. You can as well check my other previous video. You've missed out on a lot of amazing recipes, so I'll be dropping the playlist, especially to the vlogmas. This is the festive season, so you need to make something special for yourself, your family members. So after you've mixed everything together, the next thing you want to do is to cover this up and place in a dark place for it to double in size. That's your butter to double in size. So once the butter has doubled in size, then deflate it. The reason why you want to deflate this is to remove excess air bubbles. If you don't deflate your batter, it's going to keep rising and then it will fall. And if you fry it, you're going to have flat puff, and that's not what you want. So make sure you deflate the batter. And so this is how you're going to put your batter into your hot oil. So just use your index finger. After taking your butter into your hand, just use your index finger and just cut it off and add into hot oil and fry. Last thing you want to do is to add enough oil to your frying pan. Yes, be generous with your oil, as if you use very little oil, you're going to end up with a flat puff. Your puff is just going to sink down into the frying pan and it will be flat. So make sure you have enough oil in your frying pan, and then ensure that the oil is hot, not overly hot, but hot that when you put your puff it will fry, that it's not going to soak oil. Fry these on both sides until golden brown. If you're looking for a very detailed step-by-step puff recipe and you feel this video is not giving you that, I have a very detailed video that you cannot go wrong with. If you tried at making your own puff, it is so detailed. I have a guy that did not have any idea of making puff. He tried at this video, he tried at that video, and he was able to make his own puff. So I'm dropping the link right now so you can go and check out that video so that you can make your own puff during this season. So you can just tweak it by adding coconuts and condensed milk. So you just follow the measurements of this video to make the puff. So the only thing you just do is just to learn more about making puff with that video. A very special thank you to my returning viewers. Thank you so much. God bless you. Please do like, comment, and share this delicious recipe. And we'll be uploading from the 1st of December. We're going to the 25th. So if you've missed out on any of this video, just go to the description box and check. So I've include all the festive video, like the vlogmas video, into a playlist so you can watch everything at a go. So just go check the description box and click on the link that is showing here. So what I usually do before adding in the next batch, I remove the oil from the fire and just allow it to cook for just a minute or two, so that when I add the next batch of puff puff, it's not going to just fry and it's not cooked all the way through. So that's what you should do, so that you don't end up with puff puff that is not cooked inside. Puff puff is so delicious. Just try it out and see. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, do not forget to like, share and comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you haven't subscribed, do click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now.